there, my name's KT Temple. I'm an agent with Keller Williams in North Carolina and South Carolina with the Temple team. I am a technology coach for about 2,000 agents, and I'm also a franchise owner with Cyberbacker. And I'm coming to your market center to teach you all about database mastery. We're going to be covering three main things during this session. The first one will be how to build your database. So making sure that we've got all the different details and different bits of information that we need from all these people to start doing the second thing, which is communicating with them, building out great smart plans, different conversion strategies to really stay top of mind with all of these different people. And third, we're going to learn how to convert this business. So once somebody has raised their hand, what are the processes? What are the tools, the checklists that we have available to us to make sure we keep and turn this person into an active piece of business? I can't wait to meet all you guys. Please bring your computer to make sure that you can be able to participate in the different workshops we'll do in the class. See you soon.